All right, let's look at this next example. Again, this is a percentage application example. So what we're kind of just focusing in on though are the fundamentals, just focusing in on the skill here. So in this example, we want 8.5% of what amount is $4.76. So of what amount, okay, that's our unknown. Let's see here. My tablet is freezing a little. Okay. The word is equals, and we have $4.76. So what can be a little confusing here is it says 8.5% of what amount is $4.76. What they're equating here actually is 8.5% is equal to 4.76. All right, so if we set up the same kind of scale that we did previously, so we have two scales, one scale of percentages and another scale with a number system, right? So at the top of the scale, we've got 100% here. And at the very bottom of the scale, we've got 0%. All right, now we can see here that we're dealing with 8.5%. So let's go ahead and put that in just symbolically. Okay. So what about this number system scale here on the right-hand side? How do we fill that in? Well, we know we're going to have 0 at the bottom. And now we need to kind of figure out where does X go and where does $4.76 go? So I guess our number system, I can correct this. We didn't have dollars and cents in a previous example. All right, give me a second. My tablet is running a little slow. To delete. Erase. There we go. A little patient. Okay, so the number system that we're dealing with here is dollars. Okay, so what I pointed out here is that 8.5% on the percentage scale. I apologize for this slowdown here. 8.5% on the percentage side of the scale is being equated to $4.76. So $4.76 goes here. And so we're looking at 8.5% of 100%. So the 100% on the other scale is our value of X. So 8.5% of this amount gives us this amount. That's kind of how this one is being portrayed and presented to us here. So now we can go ahead and set this up. Now that we've got this relationship, we can calculate it. So 100 is equal to X. So we can set this up as an equivalence of ratios. So we've got 100 is equal to X, and 8.5 is equal to $4.76. Now we can cross multiply. And so we're going to have 100 times $4.76, and that's equal to 8.5x. Then we can divide both sides by 8.5. And we should get a value of x when we do the left-hand side in the calculator of $56. Okay. So I kind of went out of turn a little bit here. Part of, you know, solving these problems is setting up expectations. And I think it would be, clear that our expectation is that x should be greater than 476. That's one of the expectations. So clearly, $56, is greater than $4.76. So that does satisfy our expectation there. Okay, now the second way to look at solving this would be go ahead and right off the bat, just kind of convert these to fractions, fractional decimals. And so if we convert this percentage to a fractional decimal, we're going to get 0.085. And then just to cross multiply this way right off the bat. So we're going to have 1 times 476, and that's going to be equal to x times 0.085. And now we can just divide both sides by 0.085. Those will cancel out. And when we do 476 divided by 0.085, we should get 56. Same answer as the other method. Okay, so try following this as a model with this think, pair, share. The answer you should get is x equals 26 or $26.